I'm Joost and I'm here with the Kodak Printomatic Instant Camera, and these things are great. You get the photo right out of it and it's sort of like print the photo on zinc paper. So it's really easy to use. It has a built-in battery and a USB cable that comes with it, so you can just charge this. Very lightweight, so you can take this anywhere very easily. And then once you're ready to take a photo, you just point and click and the thing will print out the photo automatically. So it's not like developing, it's getting printed out right there on the spot. It takes about 45 seconds to fully print out a card like this. And this is the format they come in. So it's like a 2x3 photo. This is landscape, but of course you can also hold it like this and then you will get like a portrait. And of course the fun factor here is that you instantly get one of these cards to give someone or to hang up on your wall or glue into your photo album. So there's a 5 megapixel sensor here with a wide angle f2 lens. But I think the coolest thing here is the complete retro feel. I mean, look at that vibrant color here, small design, and Kodak really went for that like throwaway camera you used to have, like the feel that Kodak used to make. I think the picture quality is great. It's a little bit printed out, and I would have liked to see like the old picture cards where you can write something along the lines with white lines as a border. But that also makes this thing really small, really portable, and it ensures that it's printed out immediately so you don't have to develop it. Like with some other models where you take the photo and then you have to lay down the photo in a dark area and wait for it to develop for a few minutes. So that could also be an advantage here. Now the photo quality is pretty cool. I took a picture outside of flowers. You can easily see the colors here, different colors of the green and the red flowers, and then the wooden background. So this is a pretty difficult picture shot in the summer with a lot of light. So I think it did an outstanding job here. Now one of the other cool aspects is that you can also insert a micro SD card right here, so you can save the photos while you're printing them. You can't select if you want to print them or not, they just come out, but to have them on the SD card to keep is also a pretty nice feature. So while it looks very retro, it also has some very modern features. Now the viewfinder is also pretty cool. It has this little square in the middle of it, so you can exactly see what the middle of your photo will be. And I think this is one of the easiest point and click instant print cameras that I've used. So I really recommend this one for anyone who wants a no nonsense and pretty fun little camera.